The Daily Code Snippet. In this lesson, we will take a look at how adjusting the attributes changes the display of our video. Just to review, this would be the basic code without added attributes. In the next example, we will add autoplay, muted, and loop. Now we will add controls with a poster image. The Daily Code Snippet. There are must be able to start, stop, and adjust the volume of the video. It can be controlled by attributes or with a CSS. Finally, we will use fixed width and height. Volume of the video. Width and height can be controlled by attributes or with a CSS. In either case, the video will maintain its aspect ratio or native width to height ratio. Presented by Designers Learn Code.